Hello, Scrapbookers. I'm Megan, and I am back today with my scrapbooking store kit for the month of January. I hope you guys had a great holiday and are ready to jump into 2026, because by the time I post this, I imagine it is already 2026. So I was so excited today. It is Monday. What is today? December 29th, right? I think. And I got home from work, my first day back after 4 days off, which were amazing and wonderful. I seriously think we should only have 3-day work weeks. Seriously, because yeah, it would be so nice. Anyway, so I got home today and on my bed was my pink package, and I was so incredibly excited. I already know the first layout that I'm going to make with this kit, and so I am just going to jump right in and show you this month's kit. So here it is. I do also love that they send one of those cardboard pieces with it. I think they do it just to make sure it stays, because it does say do not bend on the package, but you know, the U.S. Postal Service is not the greatest at listening to packages. So I do love that, because I use those for like mixed media and art journal stuff. So anyway, totally random thought there, but here you can see these are the 3 upgrade pieces. So my kit comes with the main kit and then also the 3 upgrade kit. Well, the one kit, it's one kit. Oh my god, words. And then I also get the upgrade kit that comes with 3 embellishment pieces. Okay, so we are going to start with the papers. So this collection is called Winter Wonderland, and it is by Carta. I'm trying to stay under my lights. Yeah, there we go. So you can focus on the Carta. Okay, and this one is copyright 2024, so it is a newer collection. It's only a couple, well, 1 year old, depending on when they printed it, if it was at the beginning or the end of the year. So that is always really exciting when we get to work with newer kit or newer collections. But this one is really pretty, and I love the wintry colors, like the blues, the dark blues, and we've got some greens in there and whites or off-whites. So it's really pretty. Okay, so this first paper is the navy blue, and it's got pine cones and leaves, and it looks like maybe a floral, but it's really pretty. I don't even know if you can really see that very well. My camera does not do it justice. So I will take photos and show those to you at the end of this video. And this side is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. I love navy blue and pink together with brown and the greens. Oh, so pretty. So there's that first paper, and this one is called Swirl Floral. Then we've got this pretty kind of sky blue color, and this one is called 3x4 journaling cards, and this one has the 3x4 journaling cards on the back. Then this one is called Mixed Flowers, and I love the snowflakes. It's kind of like a mixture. It's like peach but pink at the same time. I don't know. I mean, I guess you could kind of call it beige, but it looks more pink to me. And then we've got a mixture of flowers, which I think is the reason why it's called Mixed Flowers. Then we have this pretty green. It's It's like a medium green. I don't know. It's kind of an interesting, really pretty color. And this one's called Winter Day Flakes. Ooh, and that's on a navy background with some snowflakes. Very lovely. And then we have the smaller pattern of the leaves and the pine cones with the flowers. I don't know if you guys can really even see that either. I feel like it is showing up a little bit better than the bigger print. This one's called 4x6 journaling cards. And it's just got a lot of winter sayings. Let it snow, it's the most wonderful time of year. The world changes when it snows. Just a little winter magic. When it snows, ain't it thrilling? Though your nose gets a chillin', we'll frolic and play the Eskimo way, walking in a winter wonderland. Love it. And then this one is so that's really interesting. They have like the, let's see, let's go back to the last one. If I can find it. Oh, there we go. So we've got the bigger pattern, and then we have kind of the smaller pattern. This one is a little bit different because it's got the cubes and then the plus signs, and this one has like the dotted lines within the cubes, but they're a lot the same. Very interesting. And then that is a close-up, if you guys can even see that. I don't know if you can. If it'll really focus very well on it. I don't know. There we go, kind of. And this one's called Snow Day Stems. And then it has some really pretty blue, pink, and yellow flowers. Even though during the winter there are not a lot of flowers, especially in Idaho, that grow, but I do love collections that include flowers in their winter collections, just because I love flowers. This one is called Snowy Swirls. So that is really cute. I'm loving all the navy and blues mixed with the pinks and the greens in this collection. This one is called 4x4 journaling cards. I love the colorful snowflakes. And then the 4x4s. Snowflake kisses. Hello winter, you melt my heart. Happy winter season, stay cozy. Winter days and winter time is beautiful. Then we have Beauty of Winter bunches. And it's like a pink, peachy color with a dark pink leaf. And then we've got these pretty flowers on the like really dark navy. It almost looks black background. That's really pretty. Then we have Snowflake Kisses. I love that. And then more colorful snowflakes. I do love the bigger snowflakes pattern. We actually have not gotten that much snow this year, which is kind of insane. It's so weird not having a white Christmas, like completely white snowed ground. It's so weird. Then this one is the 6x4 journaling cards. So there's florals on white, and then we have a bunch of sayings on here. I like it dashing through the snow. I don't know if you guys can see that, but on the H and the O, they have like this really pretty like design. I don't know if you can see that there. It's really pretty. Then we have pine cones and pine. And that's just my dishwasher beeping in the background. If you can hear that, I don't know if you can. So that is really pretty. And this one was on the back of another paper. I don't remember which one it was. Did I pass it? I think it was one of these last few. Oh, there it is. Oh, it was a little bit different. So that is, this one, it kind of stands out a little bit more. The little swirls, snowflake swirls. So that is really kind of fun that they have a lot of the same types of things, just a little bit tweaked, different. Then we have the element stickers, and there are a lot. I love this little border that has the florals, lots of flowers. Love it. So awesome. Okay, so that is the main kit. Then we have these primed chipboard. Oh, so it's like ready for you to paint on, I guess, if you want. No gesso required for priming. I don't know. Little Birdie is the company that they come from. And then that's what they look like. Then we've got these frames and tags from the Winter Wonderland collection by Carta. So all of these will match the paper and everything. And I'll probably pull these out here in just a few minutes. And then we also got, and I'm so excited about this. This is from the Beautiful Dreamer collection, and it's Rosie's Studio. These are the glitter foam stickers, and it just has a lot of fun words. Enjoy, hey, today, you plus me, wish, hello, love, shine, smile, hi, and then it's got stars and ampersands and an arrow. So I really love that. But here, I am going to pull these out and kind of set them out on the desk for you. If you are not already a Kit Club member for the Scrapbooking store, make sure that you use my link below if you like this kit. You can buy 1 month at a time if you want to just get January's kit, or you can subscribe, and they have a couple different ways that you can do it. You can do it for, I think it's like 3 months at a time, 6 months at a time, and then a year. And the best deal obviously is the year subscription. The only unfortunate thing is that you have to pay all up front, which I know doesn't work for everyone. So sometimes it's easier to just pay month by month and get the months that you really love. But you definitely get the best deal buying the 12-month subscription. So I'm just laying all of these out so you guys can kind of see the different tags in this kit. And these come with, let's see, 33 die cut pieces. I think I'm going to start putting the little pieces out because the big ones are taking up all the room. But they are super cute. Lots of fun colors. Like I've said, I really love all these colors in this month's kit. Really, really awesome. So there we go. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Keep an eye out on my channel. I will be posting my first layout probably in the next week or so with this kit. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I hope you have a great scrappy day. Bye.